Well, what have we here? Ooh. What's happening, peeps? Today's a good day. New coffee machine. I love coffee. I drink it all the time, especially in the morning. Can't go without coffee. So I bought one of these like pod ones. You know where you get the. Hold on. Fuck. Like the little capsules that you put in the machine, and it just makes filthy coffee. So let's open her up. Went for an espresso one. Apparently they're a bit better. Tassing Ooh. Look at that. So, not gonna lie, I've used this already. I got a bit impatient. So you put the water in the back, in there, and then you put the pods in the top, and then you press this button, and your coffee comes out, and it just tastes amazing. That's my new toy. Cheeky session at the Metro with this sexy bastard. Metro without monkey bars. Can you get back? call it names. Bitch. Slag.
Lumberjack Johnny. Nice face.
Right, done. Hello and welcome to another episode of Baking with John. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite breakfast, which is protein porridge. Really easy to make, and I have it pretty much every morning. Let me just get the ingredients. Now, you will need protein powder, almond milk, Greek yogurt. Vanilla is optional, but it tastes much better. Sweetener, I use stevia, some frozen blueberries, a weighing scale, and oats. This is optional. You can either use vanilla extract or I use My Protein's vanilla flavour drops, because it's cheaper and it tastes really good. Right then, let's do this. First thing you'll need is a pan. So because I'm trying to lose a bit of timber, I am watching my calories, weighing out my calories and stuff. So, pan, weighing scale. I'm going to measure out 50 grams of oats. That'll do. 200 mils of almond milk. Just going to weigh out as 200 grams, it's about the same. That'll do. Move this. Get it on the heat. Just get it on that for about, well, just until it starts boiling and it comes together really nice and crumpy. Give it a stir every now and again. And you want to get a big enough bowl ready. I think I'm going to have to move you. Sauce. So you want to get your bowl ready. Now I'm going to weigh out 150 grams of yogurt. However, I already know that there's 150 grams in here because I took, well, there's only 450 in the tub, and I took 150, 300 the other day. So, just gonna put the rest of that in. Done. Get some lime in this bitch. A couple of squirts of the vanilla extract. Some stevia sweetener. And then I'm also going to put 150 grams of blueberries, I think. Like if you're looking to lose weight and you're not weighing your food, you're fighting a losing battle really. You should always weigh your food and know what you're eating. Because how are you supposed to lose weight if you don't know what you're eating, how much you're eating? And guesswork doesn't work all the time. Okay, now while this is hot, put the porridge straight into the rest of the mix. Lovely. And it should look something like that. And just give it a mix. Give this a mix until it's all nice and gloopy. So because of the blueberries, it kind of goes like purple. And then what you need to do while this is cooled down a bit is then add the protein powder. The worst thing to do is add protein powder in when it's red hot. The frozen blueberries and the yogurt will help to cool it down. Put protein powder in when it's hot. It goes all weird. It tastes rank. So you can come almost out of gains. Put that on top and just mix it in. Can be a bit messy this bit, so there we go. Taste test. Oh my god. There's a reason I eat this every day. It tastes amazing. Just tried that. Flavours, different flavours are optional, and it depends on your protein powder. I like vanilla and I like blueberries. I think that just works the best. Quite like chocolate mint as well, that works. Weirdly. So yeah, switch it up, change breakfast, try shit, try different shit. I think that's gonna be it for today. Let me know if you like my apron. Well, it's the mother's. It's got like are they robins? Yeah, robins. Gonna do some more baking. I think next time I'm gonna make a cheesecake out of Philadelphia and some other shit, some nice stuff, some high protein cheesecake. So, thanks for watching. Thanks, all the best, God bless.